Before investing, what is compound interest and why is it important?
Yes, it's a very good question. Compounding interest is a very, very important aspect to investments and the growth of investments.
Benjamin Franklin described compound interest as money that makes money, and the money that money makes money.
Einstein himself said it was the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't understand it pays it. So it basically gets a return on your return. If you had $100 and in 1 year you got $10 of interest, you would keep that $110 and earn another $11 interest, so you'd have $121. You just keep on going and going and going, and eventually not only the $100 increases in value, but all the interest that it incurs increases in value, and over the long period of time, that's a lot of money. So I want to do this little challenge for you. For example, if you had $1 on March 1st and you could save another $1 on March 2nd and have $2, and then you could save another $2 on March 3rd and have $4, and then you could save another $4 on March 4th and have $8. How much money would you have on March 30th? So as you can see, if you started with $1 and doubled it every day, you would have $536 million. So obviously there's no one that really could do that except, but you get the concept of the power of doubling. Well, let's bring this home a little bit. There is a concept called the rule of 72. You can look this up. There will be something below as a link. But basically what it says, if you get a 7.2% return every year, your money will double every 10 years. So for example, if you were given $100,000 at 60 years old, you would have $200,000. But if that same money was given to you at 50 years old, you could grow that to $400,000. Now, if that same money was given to you at 40 years old, you would be able to grow that to $800,000. However, think of the rule doubling. If you had that $100,000 at 30, by the time you're 70, you would have $1.6 million. That $100,000 would grow to $1.6 million. And at 20, again, it double again. That means you'd have $3.2 million. So if you had $100,000 at age 20 and put that into a product that grew tax-free and doubled every 10 years at 7.2% interest, you would have $3.2 million at age 70. That's very, very powerful, and you can see why getting your investments in early when you're younger and allowing that compounding effect is going to do you very well by the time you're in later years.